What's going on, guys? I'm going to do an unboxing video of the new Greddy exhaust system for the Q50. This is a brand new product that was just released for the 2016 or newer Q50s. For those who are new to the channel, what up? You can call me Zilla. And I provide content on all my toys, so if you're bored and want to watch more, just subscribe already. Oh, and don't forget to lightly destroy that like button. Enough rambling. Let's get to opening this box. And for a future video, I like to point out that I have AMS products over there in the RSR super down springs that I'm going to be installing on my Q50. So the white pipe shows to be well packaged along with all the other components inside the box. The material used for the entire exhaust system is 304 stainless steel. All welds were hand laid with a TIG with precision. I'm going to go ahead and measure the diameter of the piping. So where the white pipe begins, the diameter of the flange and the piping is 2.5 inches, and on the outer portion of the white pipe you have an ID of 3 inch. So the cross section where both pipes meet is 3 inch. The white pipe seems to be mandrel bent as well as hand welded. While unwrapping the midsection, the first thing that stands out are the two large polished resonators. The resonators come in at about 17 inches from the end of the tanks. By the way, if you'd like to know how this exhaust sounds, make sure to come back to this card over here in the corner once this video ends. The welds again are amazing. Look at this. Amazing craftsmanship. When you buy Greddy, you know you're getting quality stuff. So let's go ahead and measure the piping and flanges. Now again, I don't have a set of calipers, but over here is pretty much like the same cross section as in the white pipe, and it seems to be a 3 inch cross section and a 3 inch flange. The piping here is about a 2.5, and then over to the other end of where the resonators end, the piping is a 2.5 and it flares out to a 3 inch. As you can see here on the end, it's flaring out to 3 inch and it measures in at 3 inch on the flange. The exhaust is held pretty good here with this stabilizer. Moving on to the mufflers, they did a very good job at wrapping this. The mufflers come in at about 15 inches, so they're pretty large as well. Wow, the polish is amazing. It's a mirror finish. The piping is true 3 inch. Definitely. Wow. This totally looks like a Greddy. It says Greddy on the muffler tips. Check out the welds. Here's the Greddy with the part number or serial number. Probably part number. Look at that. Wow. This is a true 3 inch. Look at the inside of the tip. Let's measure the tip itself. Tip is coming in at 4.5 inches. The exhaust flange right before the muffler is 3 inch. True 3 inch piping. Let's go ahead and weigh the exhaust. I'm 154. With the white pipe, I'm 162, so 8 pounds. So with the resonator, it's 19 pounds. The axle back muffler is 12 pounds. The Greddy exhaust, catback exhaust, comes in at 51 pounds, and the stock one comes in at 55 pounds. So 4 pounds lighter than the factory exhaust, which is a plus. Greddy does not seem to have the information, the weight information, nor any power increase gains on their website. So I'm trying to get that information for you guys, and I hope you appreciate that. This video is not going into depth on this exhaust system. This is more leaning towards just an unboxing. I will possibly provide a future review on this product, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for watching my video, and if you appreciate this, make sure to lightly destroy that like button. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, Zillas.